Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics, today with another installment of the Vista series, which also includes the Safewatch 3000, Safewatch Pro, and many more. Now on the screen here I have, this is what they call, this is a custom English keypad. I've got some other tutorials coming up with the fixed English keypad, but primarily the beginning of these tutorials is going to be all on the custom English keypad. Okay, it's the 6160, and then the fixed English keypad is the 6150, and I will get into those with later tutorials. So today let's talk about, you're probably always wondering what that mic is, and right here it says message and mic. This is what it's all about right here. You can leave other people in your home messages. Say you had to run out real quick and your kids came home from school and they're wondering where mom and dad are, and they see that the message light on the keypad is flashing. That means that there's a message in there for them. And how you record a message is you hit the pound sign, okay, pound sign, 0, and then 1. And right below the 1 it says record. All right, and below the 0 it says voice, and below the pound it's function. So to record a message, I believe, oh, it's right here. It's 2.5 minute long message. So you hit pound 0, 1, and then you start your message. And once your message is done, you hit the 1 again, and that shuts it off. Now the message light will start to blink. So that will get, so when somebody comes over, comes home from school and disarms the system, they notice that there's a red blinking light and that there's a message for them. So for them to play the message, they hit pound 03. So pound 03, and they can listen to the message. Now, if they missed anything in the message, just hit pound 03 and the message will play again. All right. Now, if the volume on the keypad is too low, they can hit pound 02, and then the 3 is the up arrow key, the up volume, and the 6 is the down volume. And I believe there is 4 different positions. So if the volume is all the way down and you want it to as loud as it can go, you have to hit pound 023, and then pound 023, pound 023, pound 023 to get it all the way up to the upper side. And then the same in reverse. You have to hit pound 026 to bring the volume down. But I'm going to show you in a practical. I'm going to switch over to my camera and we're going to go through on all of these functions right here. All right. So again, let me switch over to my camera and I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, I am back with the keypad. Now, so right here is your microphone, right here is message. So if you remember on the paper, I wish I could do that split screen thing. I haven't learned how to do that. I'm going to do it eventually. But anyways, to leave somebody a message, you hit the pound 01, and it says function voice record. And then once you're done recording, just hit the 1 again, and that'll shut it off. So let's leave a message. Let's go pound 01 and just say, hey kids, mom and I had to run out to the store real quick so we could get some ice cream for the movies tonight. And then once you're done recording, just hit 1. Okay? So now when the kids come home from school, they see that there's a message for them on the keypad. Now for them to play it, they hit pound 03, which is function voice 3.
1. And just say, hey kids, mom and I had to run out to the store real quick so we could get some ice cream for the movies tonight. And then once you're done recording, just hit.
Now, notice how that was so loud. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that volume down. I'm going to bring it all the way down to the bottom. So remember, you have to hit pound 0, 2, and then 3. That brings the volume down. So it's function, voice, volume, and then you can see these keys here. So let's go pound, voice, volume. Okay, that's all the way up. Now I'm going to bring it all the way down with the 6. You see where it says down? Come on. There we go. Now it's all the way down. So now let me play the message.
One, you just say, hey kids, Mom and I had to run out to the store real quick so we could get some ice cream for the movies tonight. And then once you're done recording, just hit.
And then again, to bring the volume up, just pound 0, 2, 3. And that brings it up 1. And then pound 0, 2, 3 brings it up again. And that's all there is to it. So again, to leave somebody a message, it's pound 0, 1. Leave your message. Hit the off button that stops the recording. And then to play it, all right, right now we got a message. You hit pound 0, 3.
Leave your message.
And that's it. That is how you can leave messages for each other on the keypad, the 6160 custom keypad. All right, guys, ring the bell, subscribe, donate. I could really use some new stuff here because I'm going to be buying some different equipment so I can further the adventures with the Vista series. I just bought another keypad. I'm going to bring in some other contacts and whatnot so I can show you how to use them. All right, guys, that is how you use the message center on a Ademco Vista / Safewatch 3000, Safewatch Pro, and many more custom English keypad. Thank you very much, guys. See ya.